Welcome back to the Spartan Update. This week we're taking our seniors into the senior lot and having them drink and drive with drunk goggles on through golf carts. Let's see if they can really drink and drive, which you should not do.
Hard as you can.
Hard as I can?
Yeah, because it's not.
Why am I going full throttle?
It's not full throttle. That's why the blocks take.
All right. Here, you can interview me if you want. Yeah.
All right, so here we go. Hopefully our first experience at
oh my gosh.
Driving.
Yeah.
There you go. You're all right. Keep going. You can even push down a little firmer on the pedal.
Oh, firmer.
There
Okay.
you go,
oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All right.
Hey, you're only running a couple people over.
Wait, really?
Every time you hit a cone, it's like
Wait,
running somebody over.
Oh, I know.
Jesus. There's a couple people in the hospital.
Okay. I thought I did. Okay, whatever.
You did good. That was.
Oh, really?
You did okay.
Okay, like.
Stop.
Oh.
All right, now take your goggles off.
Okay.
And now we're going to go back, turn to the left.
Okay.
We'll
Was that the strongest or no?
That's the weakest.
Oh! Oh my gosh! And
.08 is drunk.
Okay.
Legally drunk.
Oh, so I was just a little bit tipsy.
Yeah, see, there's a couple dead people right there. See those two cones?
Yeah. I thought I was doing good.
Only two.
I can't even drive sober.
The blocks there. So just push down as hard as you can. The harder you push, the quicker it's going to go.
Oh, God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Alright, good. Go ahead and take them all. Just drive over. Pull to your left.
How many people did I kill?
Good.
I only killed 3 people.
Here, stop here though. I'm gonna get out and fix the cones and you can drive back to the
Only killed 3 people, guys. We're good. Drunk driving with Ella Woodward. I killed 3 people. I'm about to kill 4 people.
Uh-oh. Hold on. Restart. Alright. Can I hit one? I heard it. Ah! No, we're good. Ah! I'm sorry.
Look back. Those are all dead people.
2, 3, 7. That's not bad.
Oh gosh.
Alright, so these are the stronger goggles. This is 1.7 to 2.20.
I don't even know where you are.
Push the pedal down as hard as you can.
Yes.
Yep, we already hit one person.
Oh no! Oh, there goes
Second
another
person.
guy.
Third.
I don't know why I felt like I could be like good at this.
4.
There's a 4th. That was a 5th. And there's a 6th. Oh God.
We're doing really good. Keep it up.
Oh, we're definitely in the double digits by now, I'm assuming.
You would be arrested by now.
Oh shit. Oh my God. Oh. Lots of bumps.
See, now you're going 5 miles an hour.
That's
Now
it?
Take the goggles off.
Oh God.
Now you can
The
look
big
it over.
reveal. I killed so many people.
See, now that's going 5. Now imagine if you were actually doing
Like
30
40 or
or
like in a speed zone. Because I don't.
Hi guys, I'm going to drive drunk. Don't do this at all in real life. Oh, I need to get over it. This is probably just me regular.
I hope this isn't you. I don't think that's going to prove it. It's wrong.
Nope.
Go a little bit forward, just a little bit.
Oh, what? There we go.
Take the goggles off.
There's only 2 people. 3. Oops.
Oh.
Not bad.
Oh. Killed everybody.
Oh my God. You just ran over somebody's head.
Oh my god!
All right.
Am I going to jail?
Yeah, that would qualify you. 4 or 5.
Oh my god, I killed the whole family!
Fatalities.
I killed the whole family. I think I killed everybody and their mother. Sorry, everybody. I can't. No, I have no words.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you learn your lesson not to drink and drive and always take responsibility for your actions.